things. So I'm going to show you how you can make a customer. So the flow is not complete yet. There were some plugins that I have to mess around with. So this is going to be the temporary method. Basically, I made you an administrator. That means you can do anything on the site. So just, I mean, you can browse through stuff, but only make changes if you're like updating the products or categories or stuff like that. So anyway, to make a new user, which is what we'll have to do for now, since we're not accepting registrations on the front end, you know, like we don't want anyone to be able to apply yet, but eventually I imagine we're going to want people to be able to apply, and then, you know, an email will be sent to you guys and you'll approve it or deny it, and then they'll have their own thing. So for now, what I recommend you do is you can create a new user for each customer. So let's just do that. So once you log in, so you'll go to uniquefood.us /WP-admin. If you're not signed in, it'll ask you for your username and password. You could always reset that over email if you lost it. And then you'll see on the left, if you scroll down a little bit, you can go to add new user. So now let's call this ShopRite help. Or we could do ShopRite and then shop. So you would just add this information here for now, and we're gonna, so you could see I already did some experimenting. So we're gonna have multiple types of users. We're gonna have business to business. I imagine we'll have like VIP to get like your best rates, and then B2C would be, you know, selling your wholesale. It would be the same thing as customer. So for now, I want you to just use the customer role, and then when I'm ready, I'll just move all of them to B2B users. But anyway, so we're gonna add this user. Now we have ShopRite. So when you make ShopRite, you could go in and you could change customer billing address and customer shipping address. And the reason why I'm having you go through hoops right now is because, here, I'll show you. We want in the future, once you guys are ready to open up the store to like just random people on the internet, we have an account dashboard. So I want people to be able to check their orders and stuff, and be able to print invoices and stuff. I think we should already have that, but I've been hearing a little bit like of different inputs. Maybe I should just like implement it the standard way, and then you guys can check out what I do with it. But anyway, so for now, if you really have to create a user, you can do it like this. And this is also how you would edit a user in the future as well. So once you're logged in, you can just create a user like that. And then when you're checking out, you got to make sure to sign out of your account. So you sign out of your account. And now we go to uniquefood.us. Oops. So then now we could go to, let's see what I did. So tests. So this is one of the users I made. So I'll log in. So this would be like ShopRite, or whatever their name is. So test. So now, see, I'm logged in now. You see, and now I can add the shipping address over here too. I can add the shipping address, billing address, and this is important because we don't want to confuse the end user. I mean, even though you're one of the end users, but you'll just have to use this method for now. But in the future, it'll be easier because we'll have the customers will sign up for their own account, and then you'll be able to approve or deny their application to be a B2B business. Okay, all right, that should be enough to get you rolling. I already made you an administrator, so you can make users from the back end on your own, because I disabled the form on the front end because at one point someone told me to disable it. All right, that's all.